What did Allama Iqbal say? इस शमाए हकीकी का जब बन जाता है कोई परवाना, what is शमाए हकीकी? Allah Rabbul Alameen. If somebody becomes a parwana, a moth, what does it do? It goes, revolves around, and finally it dies there. शमाए हकीकी का जब बन जाता है कोई परवाना, दीवाने समझते हैं हो गया है दीवाना. And you know, these दीवाने, they are not in the society, they are your parents. You try to grow a beard, you try to wear above the ankle. Oh, come on, no. What, are you in a love affair? Oh, you broke down in the love affair. Why this beard? You don't have money? Are you making a mockery of the sunnah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Allahu Akbar, the Rasul Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam. 2 Iranian ambassadors come to him. They are without any beard. They have only mustache. The Prophet asked them, why don't you have a beard? They said, our Lord. They used to call the emperor of Iran as their Lord. Like in the court of law, you call the judge as our Lord. They said, our Lord commanded us to remove it. The Prophet said, my Lord commanded me to grow it. And you make a mockery of it? You don't want to wear below the trouser because you can't enter a 5-star and a 7-star. Wallah, I entered so many 5 stars and 7 stars. I have met people which you desire to meet, subhanallah. I met the elite. Nobody talked about this. And if they talk, subhanallah, an opportunity for dawah to me. That's an opportunity for me. I went to the White House. I spoke to the senators in the White House. I gave talk in the White House. They never asked me, why do you have a beard or why are you wearing above the ankles? None of them asked me. Proudly. People say, you know, if you go to US, if you are a Muslim, 100 checkings. No checkings for me. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. It never happened. Wallah, I am telling you. You will find Allah with you as you believed in Him. That is what the Prophet ﷺ said. This universe is Allah's universe. You behave like a Muslim, you see how respectful you will become in the sight of Allah. And if Allah respects you, the world respects you. But before that, Allah said, I will put you to a test.